Hello fellow collectors! I have a surprise for you. Pero para malaman mo, please watch until the end of this video. Ronnie Boy Comics! Hey mga kolek, hello fellow collectors! Ronnie Boy here, your comic boy, and welcome back to Ronnie Boy Comics. I'm very excited for this video, lagi naman, no? So I'm very excited every time I record a video or every time I go live. But this time, gusto ko sana magpasalamat sa inyo. This is our 100th video or 100 upload. Whether live stream siya or recorded video, katulad nito, official count natin yan dito sa Ronnie Boy Comics YouTube channel. I want to take this opportunity to thank you all, viewers of this channel, for the support that you're giving me. Pati na rin doon sa mga customers sa Ronnie Boy Comics Store and doon sa online natin, sa ating Facebook page na Ronnie Boy Comics, no? Online store natin yan. Thank you so much. And gusto ko rin magpasalamat doon sa mga tao na pinanggalingan nito mga artworks na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Let's start. So I have some artworks here. The first one that I'm going to show you is from Sir Don Cruz. Ayan, Sir Don Cruz, ngayon pa lang, thank you for this one. Backstory lang, Sir Don Cruz is one of our kakolek natin yan. He bought some comic books sa ating online store, and nung nag-meet kami for me to give to him his comic books na binili sa store, as an online store, inapot niya sa akin to. So I wasn't expecting this. To, ayan. Sabi ko, uy sir, sabi ko, yung unang pagkit ko sa kanya, uy sir, gawa mo. Habang tinitingnan ko, uy sir, gawa mo. Sabi niya, oo. Tapos bigla ko nakita yung kanyang, ayan, nakalagay doon. Nagandahan agad ako doon sa artwork niya. No? So this is a printout ng kanyang artwork. Ayan. So Gambit and Wolverine. So shinare ko rin sa inyo kasi very timely rin dahil lalabas na yung Deadpool and Wolverine movie. And these two characters, they are two of my favorite X-Men members. I also have copies of their comic books. Limited series, ongoing series. Kinokompleto ko siya. Sobrang natuwa talaga ako nung araw na binigay niya sa akin to. So Sir Don, thank you so much for this artwork. Gambit and Wolverine, or Wolverine and Gambit. Sa ibang video ko na ipapakita yung my collection for these two characters and comic books. Number 2, ito naman ay galing kay Sir Justin Ledesma. So one time, we went to the store to pick up some comic books and nagkwentuhan kami. We talked about our favorite characters. And of course, for me, si Batman talaga. Si Batman, si Robin, Bat Family. One of my favorite covers ni Batman covers, is yung siya, tapos si Batman nandun, tapos may buwan. And on his next visit, he gave me this artwork. Ayan. Eto. So si Batman, tapos may buwan. So hindi rin ako makapaniwala na nagkaroon ako nito kasi nga, favorite ko talaga si Batman. So yan. Although I'm wearing Spider-Man shirt, favorite ko rin naman siya. So dyan yung buwan. To the moon. Yan, si Batman. Tapos sa yung kanyang signature. Justin Ledesma. I'm very happy for this one. Talagang binigay niya sa akin. Natutuwa ako. So, Sir Justin, thank you so much for this. And hindi lang natatapos yan. Very timely din kasi meron itong artwork na to kasi nga dahil sa mga lumalabas na Superman mga photos para doon sa movie. Ito yung binigay niya sa akin. So, mas malaki siya. Ayan, Superman kasama si Shazam. So, 2-part siya. Ayan, para siyang wraparound. This is also from Sir Justin Ledesma. Sir, salamat. Thank you. And then the third one, ito nakuha ko to from also one of our Pinoy artists. No? A very talented one as well. And nandito pala siya sa gilid. This is from Sir Harvey Tolibao. Nagkaroon sila ng charity project. So yung proceeds ay mapupunta sa isang charitable institution. So eto yun. Ayan. Nakalagay dyan, Star Wars High Republic Adventures. Nakalink ko siya. Medyo matagal kong hindi nakita si Sir Harvey. Pero nakalink ko siya during Super Manila 2023. Very timely na naman kasi naglabas ng announcement ang Super Manila na magkakaroon sila ng mas maaga compared last year, mas maaga this year. Third quarter pa lang meron ng Super Manila 2024. Super Manila Comic Con. Ayan. Parang dinagdag nila yun kasi last year parang wala yung Comic Con. But this year, nilagyan nila ng Super Manila Comic Con 2024 SMCC. So, parang few months o a year, more than a year after, nakuha ko sa kanila during that event. And I've talked to them. Sobrang saya ko kasi so just imagine nakapag-uusap ako sa kanya at sa kanila, no, kay Sir Harvey at sa wife niya about their project. Pinirmahan niya to dito. Ayan. Pinirmahan niya to. So this is a limited copy kasi this is 17 of 30. So 30 copies lang. I believe originally 20 lang yung copies nito, and then because more than 20 nagsumusuporta dito sa kanilang project, they made it 30. So very limited this copy, and I'm very glad that I was able to grab a copy of this one. So again, Sir Harvey, I hope to see you soon po. Sir, salamat for this one. Salamat for thinking of things na makakatulong sa community natin. That's the reason why ganun din ako ka-passionate when it comes sa giving back to the community. Kasi nagiging inspiration natin yung mga artists natin, no? Katulad ni Sir Don, ni Sir Justin, and also Sir Harvey. Now, punta tayo doon sa aking surprise! Meron akong Thursday giveaway. Thursday giveaway. All you have to do is comment below yung hashtag Thursday giveaway. Yun! Thursday giveaway. Tapos, yung raffle natin sa Saturday. Ang cutoff natin ay Saturday afternoon, 5 p.m. Saturday afternoon, 5 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. This Thursday giveaway is open to all Philippine residents. Ayan. Dito muna sa Pilipinas, yung shipping natin. I'm going to give away 2 collectibles. And the first one is secret muna. Pero definitely, it's going to be a Batman book. Ayan. Batman book for the first collectible, but for the second one, ito yung pamimigay natin. Hot Wheels Batmobile. It comes with this protector. Ito yung Batmobile sa animated series. So don't forget, if you want to join our Thursday giveaway, please comment below, hashtag Thursday giveaway. That's my surprise for you, a Batman comic book, and this one. Gusto ko lang i-share yung Batman na Hot Wheels kasi yung kinakolek ko ngayon, natutuwa ako kapag nadadagdagan yung collection ko. Supposedly dito siya malalagay, kaya lang wala pa yung pagsasabitan. Pero kapit lang makakolek, kakaroon tayo ng collection dyan. Dito baka, saka dito. Sali kayo sa Thursday giveaway. Again, you have to comment hashtag Thursday giveaway to join. Ang cutoff natin is on Saturday afternoon, 5 p.m. Again, Saturday afternoon, 5 p.m. That's it for now, mga collect. Papaalam muna ako. If you haven't subscribed yet to this YouTube channel, please do so. Click mo lang yung subscribe button. And if you like this video, click mo lang yung thumbs up. Maraming salamat sa pagnonood. Thank you for the continued support. Huwag kayong magsasawa na manood. Marami tayong mga videos pa. Hopefully na magawa ko. Follow me nga pala sa aking Facebook page na Ronnie Boy Comics and also sa Instagram ko na Ronnie Boy Comics. Ingat po kayo palagi, mga collect, and as always, enjoy collecting comics. See you again on my next video or live stream only here on Ronnie Boy Comics.